Hi guys, and today we're going to be playing Falling Monkeys. So I'm going to go first. We've already set it up so it didn't take us a while on our tablet to do the YouTube video.
I'm like just sat here, guys, so like when I'm pulling, I'll just like pull it closely so you can see.
Yeah.
So we're going to put this here and then...
I'm going to go first.
So,
wait, I'm going to choose this one.
Whenever you touch one, he dropped 1, 2, 3.
This is just a practice though.
That was just a practice round.
So drop them back in and put them.
We're gonna have to drop them
back
in.
We're just showing you how it
That's
plays.
how it works, guys.
So you have to pull sticks out.
You have to pull sticks out. Whoever ends up with the most monkeys and most sticks loses because they can't make them fall. Some of them are just like dangling off by tail.
Oh, you seen that one there?
Oh, there's one over here as well, the exact
So
same.
if anybody pulls that one off, they're going to lose. That one
Just make it a bit better. Okay, his turn first. Make sure you don't pull any of them tricks.
Oh, yeah.
Whoever ends up with the most monkeys wins.
Yeah, you keep sticks.
Whoever ends up with the least monkeys.
Oh, yes.
It's pretty easy when you go for the top.
Let's go for the one
this one's
top.
hard. Some of them are a bit stiff because this game's on them.
Haha, that's yours.
Was he?
Yeah.
I have a monkey, guys.
Haha.
Okay, your turn, mine, because I got the monkey, didn't I? How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I've got no monkeys. Yes. Right, if one just falls now.
I'll make it halfway right then.
No, you're not. I'm not doing that.
Do you know that won't fall?
I got 2.
Bye, man.
Got 2 sticks.
You got 2 sticks then, guys, so it's your turn.
Battery's low.
Yeah, we'll just finish. Go.
No, I just had to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many have you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So it's my turn. Ooh. Guys,
I thought
I'm
monkey was
only
going to
one
fall.
with monkeys.
Hi.
I'm making it hard for him.
Oh my. Huh? Okay. You're gonna do
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
They
I get 8
average it
monkeys. So I
alone.
have 8 monkeys altogether.
I did that just
No, I'm
so
not doing that
I-
one. No, I'm not doing that one.
You're gonna, whoever does all them is gonna lose. Imagine. No, please.
You have to carry on with the purple one now.
I know.
Where's it gonna fall?
No, they're not. They caught. Seen them on? They just dropped and hanged on there. They don't want to go to me.
No!
There you
Why
go.
am I in it?
There you go.
I was doing it dead soft and that wouldn't have been like that.
How many have you got?
I've got 16.
You don't get to say if you lose. I'm in another round. I might lose. No, seriously, I might.
You have Okay, guys, so that's the end of that one.
You're not. She pulled the bad one with all the monkeys on.
So we're just going to pause this so we can set it back up.
First.
We're back, guys, and I'm going first this time, so I get to trick him.
No, you can't do that. Can't hold it.
You can. Mine are going to be going right next to you guys. Oh,
That was dead close. Whoever pulls that one now, that's going to fall. Ding, ding.
I've got 2 blue ones.
And you can't like
What ones are you going to be going for? The blues, the greens, or the purples?
the greens.
Well, then you have to put that blue one back and get a green.
No, blue and greens, and you're going for the blue and purples.
Okay, so I can. No, I'm not taking that purple.
There you go.
That wasn't me.
Yes, he was.
I've already got a monkey, guys.
He's lonely. You've got a lonely monkey. Take that one. No, we're not going for the greens. No, that's purple.
No, there's me like that. No,
That's okay.
oh, that's green.
Go for that blue.
I don't know.
Purple, go for that purple. No, that's a blue.
Yeah, I'm going for blues and purples.
I got no monkeys. Okay then, your monkey's not lonely anymore.
Your turn.
I've got no monkeys. Ooh, I'm lucky. Go for that blue. Go for that.
I'm being daring.
I am. I'm taking one for a big pack. Your monkey's not lonely anymore. Caitlin, your monkey's never lonely. Oh, no monkey. Guys, I just got like a load of monkeys. There's only a few more left.
Right, guys, I'm going to show you my pile of monkeys.
I've got no monkeys. Look at my pile of monkeys.
Look at you guys, you're so beautiful.
Oh, I got some monkeys.
You got some monkeys.
That one was yours. I just picked it up because you know how yours are there.
No.
My monkey's lonely.
You've all got one dangling off, except this one. You have to pick one of them.
My monkey's not lonely.
You have to pick that one.
No, I'm not purple.
But still, you have to.
They're yours.
Okay, I lost that round.
We're having another round.
Fine.
I love this
is our
game.
last round.
No! I'm having just 2 more rounds, mate. No, because I want to do that.
Fine. 2 more rounds.
3.
We're back, guys, and
This is our last round because we want to do the shadow protection thing. So I'm first. I'm being daring in this round. So is she.
I'm only going for the purples. Oh, that looks.
Oh, yes!
I'm not going to get that because I'm not allowed to take them.
I'm being dead daring. Dead daring.
You get a monkey and
I don't
have
care. I'm going to tell Dad off you.
No, you're not allowed to take the purples.
I'm being daring. It's not funny.
That's what you kept saying to me.
See?
I'm good. That was you.
Shall we play the shadow protection?
Right, we're just gonna just put this back in the box, Ian.
I'll set the shadow protection.
So, bye.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed our
I won.
video.
I won.
Bye,
She won.